Did you know that bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the planet, combats climate change, sequesters more carbon than trees, and the tallest bamboo statue is found here in the Philippines? Bamboo is a $1 billion industry in the world, as bamboo is a highly flexible source of raw material for a myriad of products, for construction, clothing, food, and many more. However, the country is yet to put its mark on a global scale due to one reason: lack of raw material, for investors to establish economic processing zone in the country. The challenge nowadays is to put up large bamboo plantations to meet demands at the same time contribute to address issues on the social, which is most likely employment, on the economic and environmental aspect. As a private company, pioneering the largest bamboo plantation establishment in the country, equivalent to 10,000 hectares here in the province of Pangasinan, under the public-private partnership of the national government. We must be on the right path from the start to achieve our goals, which is to take sustainable development of the industrial bamboo plantation and manufacturing project in the Philippines to an entirely new level. As such, technology adoption is needed. Our forests nowadays are denuded that reforestation projects barely succeed. But with the right input, much like the technology developed by DENR-ERDB called Hi.Q Vam or Mycorrhiza, which is a biofertilizer that helps plants absorb water, even in arid soil, and releases enzymes that dissolve nutrients necessary for plant growth, increasing the survival rate of the plant, especially in poor soil conditions like our degraded forest lands. On bamboo plantation establishment, application of the so-called Hi.Q Vam is very crucial, as soils and forest lands of today are depleted of nutrients needed by the plants to thrive in such rough conditions, including the weather. With the help of the technology provider, thorough research was conducted on the impacts of the application, which in turn proved that application of mycorrhiza in our bamboo plantation resulted to better output than bamboos not applied with. For example, the survival percentage alone recorded a 98% survival compared to 60% to bamboos not applied with mycorrhiza, and much the same with diameter and height measurement. With the following data, the bamboo plantation not only can produce quality bamboo poles during harvesting, but also lessen the time duration, which is a big factor with regards to investors who want to invest in this kind of projects. On the other hand, our bamboo growers conduct intercropping between bamboos, applying also the technology. These crops include luyang dilaw, cassava, banana, and many more, as mycorrhiza can be applied to all plant species planted on soil with poor conditions. Other crops can be intercropped with bamboo, depending on the biophysical characteristic of the site, and crops that are shade lovers. Harvest from the planted crops has earned the bamboo growers extra income, while waiting for the bamboo to be harvested as their primary source, which will be at least 5 years from year of establishment, but most importantly, educated them of the technology applied. After years of continuous hard work, our project has achieved astonishing output in relation to our objective. We have been awarded as one of the best technology adopter of DENR-ERDB and have presented the project to numerous international bamboo conferences. While the technology application may be only from the start of the project, but its impacts have been phenomenal from the beginning, like employment generation, where beneficiaries of the project are mostly indigents. Bamboo advocates continuously conduct benchmarking and also became a training ground for future foresters from different universities. And lastly, contribute to the developing bamboo industry in the country, not mentioning its economic and environmental contributions. Hi.Q Vam as a whole is a promising technology capable of boosting the growth performance of plants, especially bamboo, and can be applied to all plant species to be planted in marginal areas. For the Philippines, to keep up with other countries, we encourage you, the government, and investors to join in this kind of undertaking partnered with the right technology. Thank you and Bambuhay!